Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be doing some research on YouTube on how to make six figures. So I'm going to show you my 3-step process on exactly how I was able to create 6 figures, and you can just take this action plan and use it for yourself. Alright, now if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, I'm always coming out with content on YouTube on how to create more freedom with the power of the internet. Now, here's the way that you're not going to get to 6 figures, alright? The way you're not going to get to 6 figures is if you stay in your day job, alright? Now, don't get me wrong, there are some day jobs where you can create 6 figures, but it's a very small percentage. You want to put yourself in the best position possible in order to get here, and I'm going to show you the process on how to do that right now, okay? So here are my 3 steps. Let me just open this up, alright? The 3 steps are this, okay? The first thing that you want to do is you want to start an online business. I mean, there's no surprise that everything is going online, right? Especially if you're watching this video through the COVID-19 pandemic, or maybe we just got over it. I don't know when you're going to be watching this video because this will be up on YouTube for a very long time. But everything is being virtualized. Everything is going online. Everything is going on the internet, right? So if you don't jump onto that bandwagon now, then you're gonna be left in the dust, okay? Because everything is being virtualized. There are a lot of offline businesses like retail, brick and mortar shops, mom and pop shops. They're all going broke because everybody is going online. People are buying things on Amazon. They're buying things on online websites. They're getting services, they're getting education, everything is going online, right? So here are some of the things that you can check out if you don't really know how to go online, and let's talk about some of the businesses that you can potentially start, okay? So these are really the 4 that are very popular right now. So dropshipping, digital agency, MLM, and affiliate marketing. All right, now it doesn't really matter which one you start. As long as you get good at any one of these, you can make a lot of money. But the one that I like the most is affiliate marketing. Okay, now let me explain to you a little bit on why affiliate marketing I think is the best. Now, I've tried dropshipping and MLM. I haven't done a digital agency because I don't like that business model. The problem with starting a digital agency is you're basically going to have to get, number 1, good at marketing, and number 2, you're going to have to get really good at acquiring clients, old school style. That means you have to call them, you have to pitch them, you have to tell them that you're going to help them to deliver leads and sales online, and doing that is very difficult, okay? The other thing is, if you want to get big with a digital agency, you have no choice but to hire staff. Now, I don't know about you, but building a big team of staff in an office somewhere is not my idea of a very good business, okay? I want to be as lean as possible and make as much as possible, and you can't do that with a digital agency, all right? So out of these 3, or out of these 4, affiliate marketing is still the best, okay? Now, the reason why it's still the best is because the profit margins are the highest. Everything is 100% digital. That means there's no physical element of an affiliate marketing business at all, because you sell digital products. So in dropshipping, for example, you're selling physical stuff. So you're selling, you're selling like a mug, okay? You're selling like a mug, you're selling, pens, you're selling a mobile phone, you're selling glasses. And so that becomes a problem, because what we saw in the COVID-19 pandemic is that people couldn't go to the factories, and when people can't go to work and they can't produce stuff, well, you lose your products. You can't sell it to people. So dropshipping was affected during the start of COVID-19, right? The beauty about affiliate marketing is it's 100% digital, okay? So it's much leaner. The profit margins are higher, it's easier to get started, it's just a much simpler, cleaner, more profitable business model. So if you want to start something online, I highly recommend that you start something in affiliate marketing. It's just it's the lowest barrier to entry. It's the simplest way in order for you to get started making money online, okay? So that's the first thing. Start something online. Don't think about it, just do it, okay? And make sure you learn how to do it properly and start something on the internet, right? The second thing is you must commit to the process. Okay, that's really important to understand, okay? Because look, if you're going to be starting something online, then the chances are you probably don't really know how to do it, because maybe you've never done affiliate marketing before, okay? So if you haven't done something before, you're gonna have to learn how to do it properly and practice, right? So in order for you to do that, you have to commit to the process. You're gonna have to learn a thing or two. You're gonna have to increase your skill set. And if you're not willing to do that, then you're not ready to start something online, right? So commit to the process. So what are we talking about when you actually have to commit to the process? Well, it's really simple, okay? The first thing you need to do is you need to find a mentor. You need to find someone in the online space that can teach you exactly how to build a powerful affiliate marketing business out, then you need to stick to them as closely as humanly possible so that you can absorb everything like a sponge, right? That's what I did when I first started my affiliate marketing business in 2009. So that was 11 years ago, a long time ago, right? The second thing you need to do is you need to put your money where your mouth is. You need to invest into a program, right? You can't be on YouTube, surfing around trying to figure out all these bits of information by watching free videos. Now, don't get me wrong, you can learn some great stuff on YouTube, but if you want to get something, if you want to get results quickly, right, you need to get into a program. You need the detailed step-by-step. You need the roadmap so that, there's no question marks going on, right? You need a community. You need a program. You need a mastermind where you can learn in a group setting so that you can move forward and get some incredible results. So don't be cheap on your journey to greatness. All right, remember that. Don't be cheap on your journey to greatness, right? If you have to invest in something, then you have to invest in something. If you need tools to run your business, then you need tools to run your business. There's no two ways about it, right? If you want to create six figures, this is what you have to do. This is what I did. This was my process that allowed me to finally create six figures inside of my business, right? And then the third thing is you need to do what you need to do in order to succeed, all right? Succeed no matter what. That means that on your journey to greatness, you're going to hit roadblocks, okay? You're going to hit obstacles. You're going to hit problems. Now, whether you find a mentor and get into that program or not, right? You're still going to hit obstacles no matter what. Even if I gave you the silver bullet to success, if I gave you all of my processes, my step-by-steps and everything, you're still going to hit roadblocks throughout your journey. That's just the way it goes, right? You're going to have to make your own mistakes and you're going to have to learn how to get over those mistakes, around those mistakes, through those mistakes before you really achieve a lot of success, okay? That's just the journey that you're going to have to go through if you really want to create six figures. There's no two ways about it. That's just the journey, all right? Now, if you're okay with that and you're like, Aaron, I get it. I'm happy to start an online business. I'm happy to commit to the process. I'm gonna find a mentor. I'm gonna work hard. I'm gonna get into a program that's gonna teach me how to do all this stuff. Well, the third thing that you need to do is you need to be patient, right? Because these things take time, right? Even if it is online, and this is the funny thing about people whenever they try to build something online, right? They think that just because it's the internet that they're going to be able to create six figures in a week, okay? But unfortunately, that's just not the way it works. Now, you're going to be able to scale your business tremendously once you figure a couple of things out. But in order for you to make your first few sales and then scale that to sales every day, multiple sales a day, and that sort of thing, it's still going to take a little bit of time, right? So be patient, okay? Remember that life is long. Right? If you're 30 years old, you have another 50 years to live. If you're 40 years old, you've got another 40 years to live, 40 years plus to live, right? And advances in medicine and technology is so amazing that people are living much, much longer lives. So you're going to be around for a while, okay? So be patient. Even if it takes you a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years to build your business, is it going to be worth it if you can have a business that's churning multiple six figures every single year? Would that change your life? Absolutely, right? Absolutely. So be patient, okay? Now, how do you patient? Now, please understand a few things, right? Rome wasn't built in a day, all right? It's going to take a little bit of time for you to build your empire, right? Rome wasn't built in a day. It took time for Rome to get to the stage that it was at. It was one of the most thriving civilizations in the world. So it's going to take a little bit of time. Second thing is it takes time to grow your skill set. Okay, please understand something. Whenever you build something online, you're going to have to improve your skill set, right? So some of those things are things like learning how to do email marketing, learning how to do video, learning how to do webinars, learning how to pick great products, learning how to build out your sales process, learning how to drive leads and traffic, learning how to convert, learning how to influence, learning how to position. I mean, there's so many little things that you're going to have to learn. Now, is it difficult? No, it's not. Is it going to take a little bit of time? Yes. It is, okay? But the great thing is that once you have this skill set, it's going to pay you for the rest of your life. Understand that, right? Once you have this online marketing skill set, nobody can take that away from you. So is it worth investing a bit of time and money to get that skill set that's going to pay you multiple six figures for the rest of your life? Absolutely. Absolutely. Now, it took me a little bit longer than I planned. I failed for a long time. I failed for 8 years. But if I had to do this all over again, would I have done it all over again? Absolutely. Because the way that my life looks right now, the things I can do for myself and my family and even my friends is just night and day. I can't, sometimes I pinch myself because of the life that I've created for myself and my family after going through this process. But yes, it was a process, right? So it takes time to grow your skill set. But the beauty is, like I mentioned, once you have that skill set, it doesn't matter if you have to reset or if you had to move to a different country or your business crumbled one day, you will always have that skill set to restart no matter what. And that is something that is, you can't put a price tag on that, right? Then what you do is you turn your small successes into bigger successes, right? Because now you understand how to turn $1 into $3, right? So if you're just a little bit patient, just understand that you're going to be able to take those small successes and grow them into something really, really big. And that's when it starts to become really fun. I hope that makes sense, okay? And that's not going to, you can't do that in a week or even in a month. It takes a little bit of time. So you need to be patient, right? And so this is really the formula for creating six figures, okay? Starting something online, committing to the process, and being patient so that you can give yourself that chance to be very, very successful. I hope that makes sense, right? And this is really the three-step process that I went through in order to create a six-figure income, a six-figure business inside a multiple six-figure business, just using 100% the power of the internet. Literally, my business is 100% virtual. I have no staff. I don't have an office. What you see here is what you get. Okay, all I need is an internet connection and my laptop or computer, and you're able to do this. It's super duper powerful, but you have to do these three things in unison in order for you to be able to create six figures. And this is the best way that I know how to create six figures. Now, if you want to add like a fourth thing on, you can, right? But that would be something like, sorry, 1 second here. If you wanted to add something on, you could, but it would be something, and this would be number 4, it would be investing, okay? But you can't invest, all right? You cannot invest until, let me just turn this into a different color. Let's do it yellow, right? You can't invest until you've made your money from these three things on top. I hope that makes sense, right? So investing is like the fourth thing. So once you've grown your wealth, how do you then take that wealth and grow it exponentially automatically? Well, then you invest. You invest in properties, you invest in cryptocurrencies, you invest in financial instruments, you invest in book deals, a lot of different things that you can do, right? But you must do these 3 steps first to create that income, and then you can grow that seed into something much, much bigger by investing. I hope that makes sense. So I'd like to know, first of all, what you thought of this video in the comment section below. Did you get some value from this video? Let me know some of your aha moments. If you got some value from this video today, would appreciate some thumbs ups. And if you're like, Aaron, okay, I get it. All right, I love these 4 steps. I love these 3 steps. All right, we're going to delete investing for now. Okay, I love these 3 steps. How do I get started? How do I start an online business? How do I commit to the process? What's the roadmap? How do I do that? Well, if you'd like to check it out, I've got a program, a free online workshop that you can check out. All you need to do to get access to the workshop is click the link directly below this video. Click on that link. It's going to lead you to my website, enter your best email address, and I will send you that training directly to your email inbox. Please check your spam folder because sometimes email ends up in spam, right? Or if you're like, Aaron, I just want to work with you directly, literally. I'm ready to work with you. I'm serious. How do I do that? You can check out my program if you want. All you have to do is head to theinvinciblemarketer.com. That's my signature program, and that's a way for us to work together if you would like to check it out. Again, it's theinvinciblemarketer.com, or if you'd like to get your feet wet a little bit, then you can check out my free workshop by clicking the link below. All right, my name's Aaron Chen. I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you on the next page, and I hope to help you on your journey to greatness using the power of the internet. Speak to you soon.